Hello, in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of Bambu Lab A1 Combo 3D printer. Let's begin by opening the box. And here these are the rollers, I believe. So here we have it in green and the yellow ones. This is how they look. I'm gonna put them away for a moment. Then here we have the quick start guide with all of the stickers and everything. Then next here there is a plate. I believe you could put it on the bottom of the printer and we will be printing on it. So I'm just gonna open this up so we can see it well. This is how the plate looks. It is, I think, kind of gold and silver on both sides. Next up we have the stand. I believe it's a stand for the filament. So this is how it looks. It says it's the automatic material system light. And then in the styrofoam we have the rollers. You can see there are the green and the yellow ones, so they will just come with the ones that I've taken out earlier. This is how it all looks, and this will probably take the filament in. Then here is the whole setup for you can see here we'll attach the printing stuff. There are some cables that we're gonna plug in later. Also, if you don't know how to assemble this device, there will be a video on it on the channel, so you can just watch that. Then here we just have another part for the assembly, which looks like this. Then here are the filament swatches. So I'm gonna open that in a moment. Here's the power cord for powering up the device. Then we also have another part of the assembly. And here is the whole bottom part of the device. So I'm gonna put all the parts all together on the table in a moment. We also have the white and black filament. No, this is actually the filament and these are tubes for it. Then here we have some creative model kit, I believe. I'm gonna open it up in a moment as well. And besides that, there's also another box, which, let's see what it has inside. It has all the screws and everything that we need. Then also the tools that we will need for that. And besides that, there's only the dryer. So I'm gonna put the box away and then put all the parts that we have in a box in a moment. So let's go to the filament swatches. I'm gonna open them up as well. Let's see, what do we get inside? Okay, and here are the swatches, as I've said. So you can just look at the swatches to know which color you like and want to order, for example. So they are all connected with this rubber band, so you can just take them all out. And here you can just look at all the colors that you have available on the website. So this is how it all looks. Now let's open that kit up. Here's the hardware kit user guide. And in this foiling package, we can find something that we can use for the lamp that's on the picture. So as we can see here, the LED lamp. Here we have just the LED light for it, with the cable, with everything, so we can use it for that. And I think that I've put all of the things that should have been put in here, so these are all of them. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.